The marsh at the flight deck is quiet, motionless, holding its breath. Distant calls roll across the water, the first wave of snow geese returning to the refuge like clockwork. They gather by the thousands, their voices rising into a living symphony, chaotic, vibrant, and unstoppable. The horizon burns brighter, and gold edges the clouds. It's the promise of sunrise, about to break through. By 7:04, the sun crests the clouds, light floods the marsh, and a heartbeat quickens across the flock. On a signal only they can hear, the sky explodes. The quiet dawn becomes a storm of wings.